G'day. So Paul here from Field Insight. I'm just going to have a quick talk about eating the elephant. And typically with software automation for, technical job management jobs like HVAC, mechanical, electrical, mechanical, plumbing, even complicated landscaping projects, commercial building projects, you have a huge amount of work you do in your business. There's lots of different moving parts. And the idea of going from your current system to a new system seems daunting, just like seems impossible actually. But the actual path to do it is really pretty simple. You break out the activity into logical chunks. So you don't sit down with a knife and fork and try and chow down on the whole elephant. You grab the elephant's front left arm, which might be the scheduling side of your business, and you start moving away from spreadsheets and paper diaries and whiteboards, and you move into a centralized job management system where everything's in one place. Everyone can see the information they need to see, and it's instantly available to the people who need it. So if the guy's in the field and they've entered parts, once the job's done, you can invoice immediately from the office. You don't have to shuffle paper around, which is really expensive. So what might a typical rollout look like? So you've got your elephant, front left leg might be scheduling, right leg might be getting the mobile application up and running with the guys in the field. You start with one guy. You start with a toenail. You get what? It's not a nice thing. Oh, the foot. You start with the foot. The guy's a foot. Start with the foot. You get your smartest technical guy in the field. You give him the app. You say, hey, start using this. Give him a week, get his feedback, iron out any wrinkles, make sure the workflow is running smoothly for him. And then he is your magnet to get the other guys using it. Because he's going to say, hey, guys, I can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. So just get the other guys doing it that way. So you're sort of like, it's easy to get one person doing something. And then they show three others, and they show three others, and they show three others, and you've got 20 people using the system, no problem. And it's about this sort of iterative process of improvement. Then you might say, let's get the invoicing working. So I've got all the information I need from the field now. Now let me get my invoicing template sorted out, and let me get my invoicing out. Let me get it integrated to Xero or MyOb, and let's iron out that part of my workflow. Then there's other things we can do. So what could we do? We could do inventory tracking, we could do asset tracking, we could do project management, project costing, make sure my projects are running on time, on budget. Make sure my safe work method statements are getting signed and done. I can add checklists, so make sure I just improve the quality. So really you focus on the weakest part of your business and you improve that first. And then the next thing and the next thing. And that's how you get the biggest impact, performance growth in your business, biggest time savings, biggest revenue improvements. You pick the area of your business which is weakest and you sort that out. You automate and systemize that. We're not going to go into people management. It's a whole nother part of business performance. But really, I'm a software automation expert. So that's what I focus on. Field Insights, job management software for technical projects, mechanical, electrical, mechanical plumbing, HVAC. We really are specializing in those complex projects. So anyway, if you're interested, leave me a message and we can book a demo and I can understand your business, map out your workflow, you can explain what you're trying to do and I can see if I can help. Otherwise, like this, if this is interesting too and you got something out of it, or just have a nice weekend. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.